Byron Airport, estimated weather observation 20320, weather, wind 210 at 16, visibility more than 10, sky condition clear below 12,000, temperature 22 Celsius, 2.9er Celsius, altimeter 2987.
Byron traffic RV-7A, Romeo Victor taking active 23 for a left downwind departure, Byron.
I am the one day in the night, running with wolves and I'm on the prowl.
I show you another side of me, a side you never thought you would see. Tear up that body, dominate you till you have enough. I hear you like the wild storm. Let's go. And I'm full on the ground. It's a long